What's up, guys? This is Zach with BitcoinLockup.com, and today we're going to be doing a video with the unboxing of the Ledger Nano S cryptocurrency hardware wallet. I'm really excited to do this. This was actually the very first hardware wallet that I ever used and bought myself. So let's jump right into it. But before we get to the actual unboxing, I wanted to discuss basically why it is important to have a hardware wallet and why you need to use one for all of your cryptocurrency storage solutions. So basically what this device is designed to do is store all of your private keys offline. So if you currently have any Bitcoin on an exchange or you have it on a mobile wallet like on your phone or on your desktop computer, you want to make sure that you remove them from that location and move them over to a hardware wallet. Why? Because there are a lot of things that can be hacked with wallets that are accessible online. So if you keep large amounts of money on your phone, or if you keep it on your desktop wallet, you don't want to leave a large amount of money. You like to think of it mainly as like a leather wallet you take out with you when you go out for a night on the town. You only want to have maybe a couple $100s in there. You don't want to have your entire life savings, and that's where this comes in. So ultimately what you want to do is you want to make sure that most of your private keys that are not used in day-to-day spending are kept offline and in this on this device here. So I recommend it for anyone that has more cryptocurrency than they can afford to lose. So if you want to go ahead and get this set up, there'll be a link down below where you can go ahead and read another review on it and also purchase it. So let's get right into the unboxing here. So as you can see with the box itself, it is shrink wrapped and it comes directly from, in this case, this one came directly from Ledger in Paris. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it here and take a look at what's inside. So very good presentation. The box is similar to an iPhone, so they have a very high quality box here. It definitely doesn't look flimsy or anything like that. And here's the device itself. So it's extremely small and it flips out like this. And what it does basically is there's a small screen here with two buttons, left button, right button, and that's how you can navigate it, enter in your security pin, and actually get it set up. So very, very convenient, very, very lightweight, but it's also very, very, very sturdy. As we continue to take off some of the other miscellaneous packaging here, comes with a couple of different things. So comes with a very, very high quality, kind of like a user manual or packet. So when you open it, it's going to come with a notice that it says, "Did you notice there was no anti-tampering sticker?" And that's because they have a secure element chip on the device and they don't feel the need to have that on there because they feel it is very secure. It has a basic just getting started guide, lets you know the website that you can go to actually get it set up. And then it comes with two recovery sheets, actually three recovery sheets. And what are these recovery sheets? So these recovery sheets are a backup of your device. So if this device ever gets lost, if it ever gets stolen, if it ever gets stepped on, or otherwise inaccessible for any way, this recovery sheet here is what allows you to put in your 24 character words for restoring the device on any other wallet at any other time. So when you go through and actually set up the device here for the very first time and you plug it into your computer via USB, it will prompt you to enter in, or it will generate for you rather, 24 different words, and you will write them down each on this sheet here, and then it will have you verify it as you go through the initial setup process. So it comes here with a USB to a micro USB cable, probably about 2 feet in length, and this goes directly obviously into your USB drive on your computer, and the other side, the micro USB will go here. So the screen isn't on here, but it is a smaller screen. As far as the other hardware wallets go, this is probably the smallest of all the screens, but it is an entry-level device. It's the cheapest one out of all the hardware wallets, cheaper than Trezor, cheaper than KeepKey at the current moment, and you can get one for as low as $59 right now. So what this will do is when you plug this in is it will initialize the device. It will have you set a 4 to 8 digit PIN, whatever you decide. And then when you do that, it will take you through a flow where it will generate each word for you to write down on these recovery sheets. So never, ever, ever store your hardware wallet and your recovery sheets in the same location, because this is your backup. If this ever gets lost or tampered with or stolen, this is how you recover. These words in succession are how you recover all of your crypto. So you want to make sure that you keep this in a very safe location, and you don't want to keep it in the same location as the device itself. But I will do another video shortly on Ledger Live, and what Ledger Live is the application. It's a desktop application and also now a mobile application for the new Ledger Nano X, which I'll do in another review on in another video. But this is the entry-level device, and basically what it will do is when you plug it in, you'll go to start.ledger.com, you'll download the free Ledger Live app, and then it will allow you to download apps on the device to manage your coins. So one of the downfalls I would say about Ledger is when you actually hook it up and start downloading apps onto the device, it only allows you to keep 3 to 4 different apps. And an app constitutes a coin that you're using. So if you have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and maybe Zcash, for instance, that's about the most coins or different coins that you can hold on the device at once. And it's my understanding that the Ledger Nano X will allow you to have up to 100 different coins on the device. So we'll look at that in the next video. But this device is really good for someone who's brand new to cryptocurrency. It's very easy. When you download Ledger Live, it'll walk you through the entire process, setting a password for the app. It allows you to view and manage your portfolio without the device, but you need the device itself to sign the transaction. So it'll have you confirm any transactions that you make with these buttons up here once you authenticate the device. So that's just a quick overview and unboxing here. It does also come with, looks like a keychain for people that want to carry it with them. I don't recommend that personally. I want to keep my Ledger in a secure location, and I don't carry it on a keychain or anywhere I could potentially lose it, because you could have millions of dollars in there. And then it also comes here with a pre-built lanyard if you so choose. I don't necessarily use that myself, but it's just kind of a freebie that comes with the device itself. So thanks for watching here. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. Also, like I mentioned, I'm going to be doing a review for the Ledger Nano X next, and that's where you can connect it with Bluetooth and your iPhone mobile app, iOS app, and manage everything wirelessly, which is going to be pretty cool. So for anyone that is brand new to cryptocurrency, this is definitely the way to go to get your foot in the door, because it is the cheapest and it's probably the easiest to use. If you are going to be having a lot more coins than maybe 3 to 4, you may want to start with the Ledger Nano X directly because it has a lot more capacity. It's a little bit faster and more powerful. So you may want to consider that, but for someone who's just getting started, this is going to be a good enough device. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.